Good morning, respected judges and everyone present. Today, we are presenting a solution Suvidha Kaisok application, a smart public utility platform designed to make government services accessible, fast, and user-friendly for every citizen.
Today, many citizens still face problems while accessing government services. First, the process is often complicated and time consuming. People have to wait in long queues and visit multiple offices just to complete one task. And also, not everyone is comfortable with technology. Elderly people, rural citizens, and less educated users find it difficult to use online portals.
Imagine a citizen walking into a government office, confused, waiting in long queues, struggling with forms, and depending on others for help. So, what our proposed solution focuses on solving these real world problems. At the core of our solution is a guided step by step user journey. Instead of overwhelming users with complex forms, we break every service into small, easy steps with visual instructions, ensuring even first time users can complete tasks without confusion. First, we ensure maximum visibility for all citizens by providing a simple touch-based interface with large buttons, icons. Second, we focus on inclusive accessibility. The system includes voice guidance, high contrast mode, and simple navigation, making it usable for elderly and differently abled users. Third, we provide multilingual and voice interaction. One of our key innovations is the Smart Assist mode, an AI-powered assistant that behaves like a digital helper, guiding users at every step, answering questions instantly, and reducing dependency on staff. We also introduce a resume anytime feature using QR codes where a user can pause their process and continue later without starting again, saving time and effort. This system can be deployed as public cars in cities and integrated with government APIs. For economic growth, we support business enablement, helping small businesses with registrations and services. Transparency is ensured through digital receipts, notification, and tracking, while proactive governments keep citizens updated with alerts like power cuts or water issues. So overall, our solution creates a smart, inclusive, and efficient digital ecosystem for citizens.
Now, to understand how all of this comes together in a real system, let's look at the architecture behind our solution. Our solution uses a layered microservices-based architecture to ensure scalability and security. The front end includes KaiSec, desktop, and mobile interfaces for easy user access. All requests go through a secure API gateway that handles authentication and routing. The backend consists of independent microservices like user management, payments, document verification, and notification. We use a hybrid database PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Redis for efficient data handling and integrate with government APIs and payment system for real-time services. Overall, this architecture ensures a service scalable and efficient platform for large-scale public use.
Our UI UX is specially designed for public as usage and accessibility. We focus on large buttons, simple navigation, multiple language support, voice assistance. From security perspective, we use OTP-based authentication, secure session handling, data encryption.
Our solution introduces several innovative features like voice assistance, AI-based guidance, touchscreen interface, document scanning, and real-time tracking, making the system simple and accessible for every citizen. Looking ahead, we have planned to enhance this system with mobile app integration so the user can access services anytime, anywhere. We also aim to include biometric authentication for stronger security and faster verification. With data analytics for governments, authority can make better decisions based on the real-time data. Additionally, features like AI chatbot support, rural development enhancement, and accessibility and multi-service payment will further improve user experience. Overall, our goal is to transform this into a complete smart service platform for both urban and rural areas.
This brings us to the end of our presentation. To make our solution clearer, we would like to address a few important questions that might arise.
The first one, what makes our solution different from existing systems? Our systems combines KaiSec, AI, multilingual voice, unified services in one platform, making it accessible even for non-technical users.
The second, what if the system crashes? We have auto recovery, error handling, and monitoring services to quickly restore services.
The last one, what happens if there is no internet? Our system supports offline mode for basic functions and sync data once the connection is restored. This comes to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for listening.